Before you replace your laptop battery, run this hidden report first. If your battery drops fast, shutdowns randomly, or won't hold charge, it might not be physically dead. Let's check the real battery health in under 1 minute. On Windows 11, press your Windows key plus R to open this menu, then you type CME. We run the command prompt. So once in the command prompt, type this power CFG stroke battery report. Press enter. Battery life report saved to a file. So we go to this part to open that file so that you can read the information. So enter is under C. Open C, go to users, admin, and here's a report. Let's open it. So once in the report you scroll down, I will look for design capacity. So just scroll down until you see battery capacity history, and you look carefully. If the full charge is lower than the design, you highlight like this. This is the full charge, this is the design capacity. So if the full charge is lower than the design capacity, your battery is physically worn out, so you may want to replace it. It means the capacity has depreciated. But here's what most people don't know. If your health is above 80 or still draining fast, your battery isn't the problem. It's called ghost drain. USB devices, background apps, sleep mode, power draw. Even with the lid closed, power is still being used. In my next video, I'll show you how to optimize your battery and stop these power drains. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.